Alright guys, what's up? So today we're going to be opening some mail. Hey, what's up guys? So the Razor Effect here. Today we're going to be opening some mail from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, my favorite shaving company because they're very consistent. Their lather is great, their scent lasts like all day. Very good. And I'm very excited about this. You know, I was in Pennsylvania all weekend and this was just waiting for me and I was just waiting for it. I let my this is almost a week worth of beard growth, so I'm really excited to see what I got, you know. And shout out to Doug and all the other creative directors and everyone over there at PAA. So let's get it started. I'm very excited for this. Their lather is like amazing, man. It's my favorite. He has such unique scents, and yeah, man, they're so good. I've always wanted to try their safety razors because I know he has some wild stuff, some wild products like the open comb, the double open comb, and the slants. And you know, I'm a beginner, so all I know is close comb. So just get this open. And Doug, shout out to you to making this secure package too. So yep. Man, this is rough. I'm having a hard time here. All right, we got it. So first up, we have Lavender Planet. Like I said, you know, I have their club guy right here. Really good lather, builds it really good, smells really good too, and wow, that's lavender, man. Wow, just like lavender. That's crazy. Like, it smells just like it. Like he literally took the plant and put it with the lather. Like, wow. And it's soft too, you know. That's what I like about it. It loads up with the brush really easily. Wow, it's really good. I also have, so whenever I order stuff from them, I always get the bundle. They are sure safe with their packaging. Really good packaging, man. Really good packaging. I love the little history that he puts in the back of it. It's so cool, man. And I shouldn't really, my problem is I shouldn't really judge an aftershave and a soap by their cover, but dude, his graphic designing, whoever does his design, kudos to you, man, because this is great. I also got the aftershave and cologne. Whenever I buy their soaps and their aftershaves, I always get the bundle. Because one, it's a sweet deal. Everything all together is like varies from $33 to like $40 something, which is a good deal in my opinion. Some soaps only cost about 20 something to $30 to $50, so it's such a great deal. Wow, this is nice mild smell of lavender. Wow, it's so good. And you know what I love about this too is you don't even have to use this after aftershave. This could be a cologne too. And when I was using the club guy cologne, I have it somewhere here. When I was using the club guy, this smell lasted me about a good 6 hours, 8 hours. So basically a whole day. So basically a normal work shift, school day. You know, this works good for me too. And as a beginner of wet shaving, I started wet shaving a couple months ago. and I'm now really getting familiar with my products. It's It's really good, man. Doug is doing his thing. Kudos to him. Really good, really good. Also got look at this, man. I mean, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. You can't beat that, man. Shave Tech. Really cool, man. Really cool. Wow. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Look at that monster, man. That is one intimidating safety razor, excuse me. You know, like I said, I'm so used to using only open combs and everything like that. So this right here is gonna be a challenge for me. It's a slant, and look at that, man. Look at this blade exposure, man. That blade exposure on that is gonna be a wild shave for me. Very excited. I'm very, very excited. Wow. See that? So good, man. Wow. This is gonna be a scary shave for me. It's my first time using anything with any type of exposure. I'm always using a close comb because as a beginner, that's all you know with safety razors. So hopefully I get to order some you know, some open combs, double open combs, open comb slants, you know. But yeah, this is so intimidating, and I love the color on it. It's apart right now. I love the color on it because usually it's always silver or black, but I love the color on it. Nice and light, has a little bit of weight to it, but this is so good. I can't wait to see the performance on it. Like I said, man, this packaging, man, you can't beat it. I didn't even use any of the gear yet, but the packaging itself, it's so exciting. It's so cool, man. It makes me feel like a little kid reading comics, man. Wow. I got the synthetic brush, the solar flare. Wow, this is so cool. This has such a classic feel to it. Soft, man, it's so soft. See, since I started shaving a couple months ago, wet shaving, you really don't know a lot of things. So you're gonna start doing everything at a budget. So I started I started using this little guy from Vanderhagen. It's a, you know, cheap, nice beginner. It's obviously not real Badger, but it does the job. But this right here, wow, this is so soft, synthetic. I love the old school feel to it, you know, the nice butterscotch, you know, it's like a nice caramel candy. It reminds me of that, it reminds me of caramel. It's a nice classic look, and it's soft. You could tell that this could whip up lather really good. Wow. So good, so soft. I can't wait to see how it feels when I make lather. And another good thing about PAA is, man, when I first whipped up lather with the club guy, it caught onto the brushes. Excuse me, it caught onto the brush so quick, so easy, very quick to make with face lathering or roll lathering. And kudos, man. Doug, if you're watching this, kudos to you. Keep doing what you're doing. I love it, man. So with that being said, hopefully I can see you guys on the flip side. Tune in for another shaving video coming soon on using these products. So that's it, man. Easy shaving.